Hello traders, today we are looking at the DT Oscillator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a momentum indicator that combines stochastic and RSI components into a single crossover system. I will load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. The DT Oscillator displays in a sub-window with two lines. As you can see, the two lines, red and blue. The red line is an 8-day SD Stochastic and the blue line is a 13-day SK RSI. When the stochastic line crosses above the RSI line, it signals a bullish crossover, suggesting positive momentum. As you can see here, when the red line crosses above the blue line, indicating bullish momentum, and when the stochastic crosses below the RSI, it signals a bearish crossover and suggests negative momentum, as we can see here. These crossovers are the primary signals to watch out for. Now let's move on to the settings. If we come here, we can see the RSI period and the stochastic period. You can also see the SK period and SD period and the mode of the moving average. Can also change the time frame. These values are designed for shorter time frame. The 13853 are designed for shorter time frame, making the DT oscillator well suited for scalping strategies. As you can see, you can adjust the settings or the periods. You can also adjust the color of the stochastic line and the RSI line. Now, this DT oscillator is particularly useful for scalpers and short-term traders who need quick momentum readings. It works on all time frames, but is commonly used on lower ones. It's a visual tool only and does not execute trades. In choppy or low volatility conditions, the lines may cross frequently and produce false signals. Confirmation from trend analysis or price action is recommended for traders. And you can download this indicator from the link in the description below on the Forex Geek. Please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indicator videos.